How to turn off Google Smart Lock on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off Google Smart Lock on Roblox. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to open your device settings. Swipe down from the top of your screen and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to access the settings menu. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the settings page. Now from here you will need to scroll down to find the Google option. And once you locate the option, simply tap on it to open various settings related to your Google account. Within the Google account settings, now here you will need to look for account fill up option. This section manages how your Google saves and fill in password. If you didn't see this option, you can simply tap on this continue button at the bottom right corner of your screen under this password manager. Once you tap on it, this will show you all the saved passwords associated with your Google account. Now here you can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to locate your Roblox account login details. And once you find the Roblox account here, you will need to simply tap on it, and you may need to verify your identity by using the fingerprint or PIN or face recognition. And after verification, you will be able to see your username and password for Roblox. There you will be able to locate the delete button at the bottom right. Now you will need to tap on this delete option to remove these credentials from Google Smart Lock. Soon after tapping on the delete option, you will be able to see this pop-up. Here simply tap on this delete option in order to confirm. By doing so, you will be able to turn off the option. Also, if you want to prevent Google from autofilling passwords in the future, then you can go back to the previous page. And in this page, tap on All Services tab at the right side and then scroll down to find Autofill option. Here you'll be able to find Autofill with Google option. Simply tap on it and inside it you'll be able to see the toggle button. Simply tap on it to disable it. So by following these steps, you should be able to disable Google Smart Lock for Roblox. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.